In the tide of energy revolution, EPCB Boiler has become the best partner of the textile industry with its excellent engineering ability and professional team. Today, we will go deep into EPCB's coal-fired boiler installation site to witness this magnificent project. The installation process of EPCB boilers strictly follows high-quality standards and best practices. Every worker has been professionally trained and has rich experience and skills. Their goal is to ensure safe, efficient and reliable boiler operation. EPCB coal-fired boiler adopts advanced combustion technology and heat exchange design to maximize coal-fired utilization. The boiler body adopts high-quality materials and precise manufacturing process to ensure the stability and durability of the boiler. EPCB coal-fired boilers are equipped with advanced emission control systems, including flue gas desulfurization, denitrification and dust removal devices, to reduce the impact on the environment. EPCB coal-fired boilers have multiple safety protection systems, including water level control, pressure protection, combustion control, etc. We attach great importance to the safety performance of boilers, and consider various operating conditions and abnormal conditions during the design and manufacturing process to ensure the safety of operators and equipment. The EPCB team completed the site layout and equipment installation in an efficient manner, ensuring the smooth progress of the entire project. They precisely connect each component together, ensuring a flawless project finish. EPCB boiler is not only a piece of equipment, but also a leader of energy revolution. Its high efficiency and environmental protection features bring the possibility of sustainable development to textile industry. At the boiler installation site of EPCB, we saw the strength of the team, professional technology and the pursuit of excellent quality. These elements make EPCB a leader in the field of coal-fired boilers for the textile industry.